Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-LDM in navy. Alright, so let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which you'll be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get two sets of instructions with the dimmer, but I'll show you that in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view here, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Okay, first thing that we need to do is take our dimmer off. Okay, just like that, I'll leave it on the side there. And the second thing is we're gonna need to take the plate off. Okay, nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips, and then just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. Also, while I have the plate off, these plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of your navy color or you simply just want a new one, you can purchase these plates online, clip it on, new one just like that, and then you're good to go. Okay. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Here at the front is the dimming part of it. So this is going to either brighten or dim your light based off of which way you turn it. On the front here as well is we have a lock washer and nut on there just to make sure that that's nice and secure and there's no movement there. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS, which is British standards, which you need that for any electrical supply if you want to sell in the UK. So you can buy this with peace of mind. Okay. It has 3 terminal hole screws at the top there, our nice little Trendi logo on the back there, and just a brief summary of the voltage and the load of what this dimmer can take. Okay. Let's flip it back over. Put our plate on. Okay, it's better when you're putting the dimmer ones on. I find them a little bit challenging. Line up the bottom first, push in the part that dims your light, and then it'll click on just like that. Okay, put the knob back on, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side here, you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And then finally, in the bottom right-hand corner here, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And then let's take a look at the instructional leaflet that comes with just the dimmers. Okay, on the right here, you have the single and the double dimmer diagram at the top there, and then just a quick little drawing of what the dimmer measurements are. Okay, on the center here, you have your wiring. On the left is how to properly dispose of your dimmer if it's run through its life cycle, or if you've purchased a new one. Okay. On the right here is the operation. Okay. Installation in the center, and then a more detailed summary of what the dimmer can hold. For example, the voltage or the load. Okay. And then last but not least, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay. The LDMNV, I don't know if you can see it in the brackets there. I have written here R5008, that's our RAL number, but try to put in the NV for Navy, and that'll populate it in our search engine a little bit better. Or you can use the barcode to search it right there. The other QR code here, if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website where you can see all of our product listed. And then finally, the recycling symbol in the bottom right hand corner here on this packaging so you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below with what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.